Gretchen is in love with the dishwasher, we have noticed in the past week. Today is October 13th. And whenever the dishwasher opens, it makes a squeaky noise. And if she's in the next room and she hears the dishwasher opening, she will come a-crawling so she can explore the dishwasher. And tonight she pulled a spoon out and is banging it on everything, and she thinks it's hilarious. Gretchen! Yeah, this is her love for the dishwasher. She can stand by herself now without hanging on to anything, as you can see right here. Pretty soon she'll be walking, I'm guessing by Halloween. Woohoo! Bang that spoon! Gretchen, when are you going to start walking? Huh? When are you going to start walking? Do you like that spoon? Say bye bye. Oh, dishwasher, I love you. I'm going to kiss you. Bang, 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 bang. Oh, that spoon is delicious. Gretchen, that's a really big spoon for a baby. That's all for now. Bye bye.